Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain a small topic polyacidic base and polybasic acid. That first one, polybasic acid. So what is polybasic acid? The acid which is able to produce more than one H plus ion is said to be polybasic acid. Example, H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid can give how many H plus ions? 3 H plus ion and phosphate ion 3 H plus PO4 3 minus ion. H3PO3 gives 3 H plus ion and phosphate ion. For this dissociation, acid dissociation constant is Ka. So this acid dissociation may take place in different steps. That is H3PO4 in one step it produces only 1 H plus ion and gives dihydrogen phosphate ion H2PO4 minus ion. For this acid dissociation constant Ka 1. Next, if H2PO4 minus gives one more H plus ion, it gives hydrogen phosphate. This is first one is dihydrogen phosphate. This is hydrogen phosphate. For this acid dissociation constant Ka2. Now hydrogen phosphate on dissociation gives H plus ion and phosphate ion PO4 3 minus ion. For this acid dissociation constant is Ka3. Okay. Thus phosphoric acid is a tribasic acid. So if you compare Ka with Ka1, Ka2, Ka3, that become, by adding these three equations we get equation. If you add these three equations we get what? Last equation, first equation. So this one left to right common, and this one left to right common. So by adding these three equations, what we get? H3PO4 on left side, this is only gives H plus 3 H plus what? Phosphate ion. That means by adding these three equations we are getting the first equation. Then Ka is equal to what? Ka is equal to Ka. These equations are added. Ka's acid dissociation constant should be multiplied. Ka1 into Ka2 into Ka3. Taking logarithm log, that too minus log, taking minus log on both sides, minus log on both sides, what we get? Minus log Ka minus log Ka1 minus log Ka2 plus of minus, so minus log Ka3. So from that what we can write? pKa is equal to pKa1 plus pKa2 plus pKa3. Okay. So since for this Ka1 is always greater than Ka2 greater than Ka3 for this. So what we can write? We can write pKa is opposite to Ka. So pKa1 less than pKa2 less than pKa3 అవుతుంది. So this is dissociation constants of polybasic acid. If you take polyacidic base, for polyacidic base, example aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide on dissociation give Al3 plus ion and 3 OH minus ions. For this, base dissociation constant is Kb. This dissociation takes place in 3 steps also. AlOH taken thrice in step 1 gives AlOH taken twice plus OH minus. For this, base dissociation constant Kb1, AlOH taken twice in second step dissociate to give AlOH 2 plus OH minus. For this Kb2. Finally AlOH 2 plus gives to give Al3 plus OH minus. For this dissociation constant is Kb3. By adding these 3 equations, what we get? This one get cancelled, this one get cancelled. Then what we have? AlOH taken thrice gives rise to what remains? Al3 plus 3 OH minus ions. By adding these 3 equations, we are getting first equation. Therefore, Kb is equal to what? Addition of equation, multiply of their constants. Kb1 into Kb2 into Kb3. So for this also, Kb1 is greater than Kb2 is greater than Kb3 అవుతుంది. So by taking minus log on both sides for this equation, taking minus log on both sides, minus log Kb minus log Kb1 plus minus log Kb2 plus minus log Kb3. So minus log Kb1 is equal to Pkb is equal to Pkb1 plus Pkb2 minus log Kb2 Pkb2 plus minus log Kb3 Pkb3. So since Kb1 greater than Kb2 greater than Kb3, Pkb1 less than Pkb2 less than Pkb3. So this you need to remember. Okay, take screenshot. Thank you for watching.